In this video, I'm going to show you how to use aloe vera overnight to treat acne scars, pimples and zits. But first, if you would like my free email course, which goes into much more depth on how to use aloe vera for scars, pimples and zits, then just click here. Aloe vera is well known for its skincare properties, especially relating to treating burns. This plant has powerful anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that help to heal pimples, skin damage and blemishes. Aloe vera has become extremely popular in home remedies to help cure and prevent acne and acne scars. Aloe vera is also a natural astringent, which means it helps to keep skin pores clear and free from sebum. Sebum is the gunk that causes spots and zits. So how do we use aloe vera to treat acne? Well, all you need to do is to cut a fresh aloe vera leaf and squeeze out the aloe vera gel, or to make life easier you can just buy pure aloe vera gel. Apply the gel over the affected area, or you can do it all over your face like a face mask and leave it on overnight. Wash it off in the morning with warm water followed by some cold water. Lastly, pat dry your skin. If you suffer especially from acne, apply the aloe vera gel to your skin on a regular basis even after the acne heals, as this will prevent any further acne breakouts. If you suffer from acne scars or particularly troublesome acne spots, you can mix 1 to 2 drops of pure tea tree oil to 1 to 2 tablespoons of pure aloe vera gel and apply it on the acne scar or pimple. Tea tree oil will help heal the acne, but it's also good for acne marks and dark spots. Research indicates that tea tree oil lightens acne scars and scars from injuries without causing unwanted side effects. Just bear in mind, before trying the remedy overnight, patch test during the day to check for any allergic reactions. And if you want that free course on how to use aloe vera for acne scars, pimples and zits and other things that might affect your face, then just click here. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please give it the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'm sure you're going to like this video as well, which is how to treat acne using toothpaste. Bye for now.